Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 27. How to set daily advertising budget. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to set daily advertising budget, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select All Campaigns. Here you get a list of all campaigns and then select Campaigns. Select one campaign from the list. On top, we get Budget with an Edit button beside it. Click on it. From here, you can set campaign budget and select the budget type. Click on this small info button to get more information about campaign budget. Now enter your new campaign budget and click on Save button to save it. Once done, you can see that your budget has been updated successfully. So this is how you can set a daily advertising budget. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 28. How to edit existing ad set. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to edit existing ad set, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.